During the course of the session so far, I have introduced to you a number of Google command searches that you can type into the search box. If you do want to access all of those commands from one handy place, Google has an advanced search option which they tuck away very nicely so you would never know that it existed. And to access that content, you will need to look at the bottom right hand corner of the Google web page and click on Settings. This brings up another box and you can then select Advanced Search. Now this is very handy because it makes it very clear and explicit the types of search techniques that you can incorporate in your research. So for example, we have the ability to find pages or results with all of the words that you would like to appear in your results page. This exact word or phrase, which is simply the use of quotation marks. Any of these words, which is the use of the Boolean OR operator. None of these words, which is the use of the minus or negative symbol to mean not, and a term that you're not interested in seeing presented back into your results. And the ability to input a date or number range. So for example, financial prices, weights, and years. Now we've covered all of these commands during the course so far, but if you want one handy page to access those in one fell swoop, then you can do that by using the advanced search. Now as I scroll down, there are some other options that might be very useful for you to select if you wish to include only pages in a language of your choice. Now if you want to see content from particular regions, you can use this drop-down box to specify pages published in a particular region, so that could be very useful to you when it comes to your research to gather and analyze your results from another perspective. So that's a particularly useful one, the ability to find pages published in a particular region. The last update option, so that's the ability to find pages updated within the time that you specify. So if you're looking for current information, you may want to choose a more recently updated time than that of up to a year ago. And earlier on we spoke about using the commands for searching for queries in the text or the title of the page or the URL of the page, and you can access this within the advanced search functionality as well. Safe search is parental guidance that you can toggle on or off, and this one is really useful, the ability to limit to file type. So we discussed the command earlier on, but using the drop down box you have the full list of different file types and their extensions should you wish to limit to a particular document file type, such as a PDF, a PowerPoint, or an Excel format. The last one is related to Creative Commons and the ability to find information or content that you can share freely or edit or modify. So that's the advanced search option, and it is super useful for you when it comes to really creating an efficient and structured search strategy to find the information that you need for your research. Now do remember that it can take some time to practice and master the advanced search function, so don't lose hope if it doesn't work out for you straight away.